Hey, Tony from T-Perfume is here. And if you ever dreamed or wanted to make your own personal perfume at home, in this video I will show you step by step how to do that. Stay tuned. But before we start, if it's the first time that you have been to my channel, I want to encourage you to make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I want to make sure that you will get every single video I put out regarding natural perfumes and cosmetic tips from T-Perfume. I think I don't need to explain that to create a real perfume, it's taking a long time, a lot of creation and fantasy, and it's like creating a piece of art. But today it's weekend, it's Saturday, and why not? Let's have a little bit fun and making our own personal perfume with essential oils at home. The first easy peasy or hurrying time recipe, it's really very easy. For that you need just only a little small bottle. I prefer 10 milliliters. I really love small amount because it's giving me more freedom to play, and if it's something going wrong, it's not a big deal. So 10 milliliter small bottle, 1 or 2, oh my god, or 3 your favorite essential oils, or 3 is already. It's coming difficult, but you can play here, you can feel a little bit fun. For example, for 10 milliliter, it's approximately 25 till 30 drops your favorite essential oils. After that, you need 96 to 100% clean, pure alcohol, or we are calling cosmetical alcohol. Mix it them all together. Shake it very well till 2-3 minutes, and wonderful. And you are ready to go and start your rock and roll. But the second version, here we need a little bit play more, a little bit more longer, and it will be a little bit more difficult, where you can feel yourself like a real creators or like a little perfumers. And now we are starting to play. So now it's for the second recipe what I told before, where we can really play a little bit more and feel yourself like a small creator or little perfumers. There we need at the first we need to have a little bit more larger choices of our essential oils, and to start at least you need to have to start to play, at least you need to have this kind of essential oils like Grapefruit, Bergamot, Geranium, Rose Absolute, Cedar, Patchouli, Ylang Ylang, Myrrh, Olibanum, Benzoin, Cardamom, Cinnamon, Ylang Ylang, and etc. I will write them all in the description area. And now we can start to create at first our odor of our fragrance or perfume. For that, for example, you need to choose which kind of mood you are, what you really want, and we must think at the first bottom note, middle note, and top note. And for example, I choose for today experiments. I think it will be interesting for me also. I used vanilla organic oil. It's for the bottom note. I used spicy essential oil, and wood smoke. So I will put and before to understand you can how to play. You can drop for your stripes one drop this one drop another one, and third one, fourth one, and etc. And you can play before your nose and just to sniffing how to get the good ensemble together. But as I told, I choose for the bottom note 3 essential oils. That means for 10 milliliter, as I told before, I prefer my small bottles by 10 milliliter. Yeah, it's my logo here. And for top notes, I must add only 3 drops. So I will add, I think I will add only half drop of spicy essential oil. How to get half drop? Do you know how to get half drop? It's very easy. You will take just a sticker and you will just steal it by the sticker, 1 drop, and you will get half. No? Yes. And it will be only half. So, half drop of spicy, 1 drop of vanilla. Oops. And 1 drop of smoke wood. It will be our bottom notes. 1 drop. Up, voila. So I will mix them. Yeah. And even you can smell it and understand, do you need something to add more, or for me it's very good. No. For middle note, I will add 15 drops of rose otto essential oil, 15 drops. Five more. 5. Yes. It's already lovely. Oh my gosh. So, and on the top note, I will add, let's say, also only very interesting. I have an apple oil, 1 drop. I will use Ambretta seed absolute, also 1. And I have always something what I adding to my 1 drop always to my all the perfumes, and I'm calling that it's my X ingredient, secret ingredients with what is doing the T-Perfumes unique and personal, and I'm using. I'm not telling what is that because it's mine, but it's natural. So it's quite interesting. Generally, I'm just doing this for like a demonstration, but I already did that before, and it's still in my stripe, and it's I love it. At the first, it's coming so fresh. It's a top, the apple and ambretta seed, and now I'm feeling the rose, and on the end it's coming like a little bit masculinity, spicy and wood smoke, and it's a combination. It's really interesting, and the vanilla is at the moment in, I don't know why, but it's too in. I love it. So now, and you can play, yeah. You can put after that drops on the paper and just to smell it, move out again, sniff it, and if it's good, we can start to do it. So we need a bottle, 10 milliliter. We need now a carrier oil. Let's say you can use it jojoba or sweet mandel. I prefer jojoba. For 10 milliliter, it's approximately 10 drops jojoba oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, it's enough. Yes. And now you can add here your mixed essential oils. So mix it very well. And add now your clean or 96 till 100% clean alcohol or pure alcohol. It will be 8 milliliter. Close it with diffuser pump. And now it will be good if you will put your created perfume for at least 48 hours in the dark place to set it down. And when it's ready, you will add for them, let's say, also 10 drops of distilled water, and it's ready. I already have a ready bottle, what I made it before, because it's already was stayed 48 hours, and it's a wonderful, oh my gosh, it will be my new favorite for at least for 2 days. Wonderful. It's really good. It's really good. I love it. So, if you are using just natural oils and absolutes, and you are doing a different kind of, if you will, fun for that, you will do this one or another day, another one, and you can use it some there in different time, because it's not normal that you are going to the work and on the morning and you are putting very strong perfume, and the afternoon you are absolutely in different mood. You can use it another one. So this is a very interesting process, and it's worth to try it at least. Hey, I really hope that this information was useful for you, and I'm really very interested to know which kind of experiment you did, which kind of essential oils you mixed between each other, which kind of ensemble you get. So let me know in comment area or comment section, and have a nice, wonderful weekend. Thank you.